Today we are doing exercise 9.1, chapter 9, class 7th, Maths NCERT. This is question number 1. Find 5 rational numbers between. Here you can see there are 4 parts, and in these parts you are required to solve one by one. Now let's solve it. Now this is first part, -1 and 0. Now here we are required to find 5 rational numbers, so we will write -1 upon 1 and 0 upon 1. Whenever there is no denominator, you can take 1. Now here you can see -1 and 0, no rational numbers are there, so we are required to multiply it by 6. Because we are required to find 5, so we will multiply it by 6. So 1 upon 1 multiply 6. To numerator also, to denominator also, and 0 upon 1 again multiply by 6 to numerator also and to denominator also. Then it is -6 upon 6 and it is 0 upon 6. Now the numbers between them, 5 rational numbers, are -5 upon 6, -4 upon 6, -3 upon 6, -2 upon 6, and -1 upon 6. So here you can see these are the 5 rational numbers between these numbers. This is second part, -2 and -1. So we will write -2 upon 1 and -1 upon 1. Now here you can see denominator is 1, so we are required to multiply it by 6. Multiply by 6. So we will multiply it by 6. 2 -2, 1, then into 6, and -1 upon 1 into 6. Now you can see this is -12 upon 6, or this is -6 upon 6. Now 5 rational numbers are -11 upon 6, -10 upon 6, -9 upon 6, -8 upon 6, and -7 upon 6. So in this way you are required to do this. Now this is third part, -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. So here you can see denominators are not same. So first of all we will take LCM of the denominators. Denominator of 5 and 3 is 15. Now we will convert this denominator is equal to 15 by multiplying the numerators and denominators. So here you can see 5 3s are 15, so multiply 3 to numerator and 3 to denominator, and 3 5s are 15, so here we will multiply it by 5. Now you can see it is -12 upon 15, or this is -10 upon 15. Now only one number is there, -11 upon 15, so we cannot write only one. We are required to write 5 rational numbers. Now multiply it by 6. By 6 we will multiply it. Then -12 upon 15 multiply by 6 to numerator and denominator, and -10 upon 15 then multiply by 6 numerator denominator. Now this is -72 upon 90, or this is -60 upon 90. Now if you are writing this, then 5 rational number between them are -71 upon 90, -70 upon 90, -69 upon 90, -68 upon 90 we can write, and 69 upon 90, and -68 upon 90, and -67 upon 90. So here you can see 5 are complete, 3 there and 2 here we have written. Now this is fourth part, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So here we will multiply it by 3. Here we are required to make the denominator same. So here 2 3s are 6. So 3 and 2s are 6. So 2. Then here -3 upon 6, or here 4 upon 6, Then we will write 5 rational numbers, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, 0, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6. This is question number 2 of exercise 9.1. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. One by one you are required to write. This question has 4 parts and we will solve one by one all. Now let's solve it. Now here you are required to complete these patterns. Here you can see it is multiplying by 2, minus 3 2s are minus 6, minus 3 3s are minus 9, minus 3 4s are minus 100, minus 12. Now minus 3 5s are minus 15, minus 18 and minus 21. And in denominator you can see table of 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So here will be 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 and 5 7s are 35. So in this way you are required to fill it. Here you can see it is increasing. So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. And in denominator you can see table of 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. So in this way you are required to write it. This is second third part. Here you can see minus sign is there on the denominators and numerator is of plus 1 2 3 4 5. Here will be 6, here 7, and denominator it is the table of 6. So it will be minus 30, it will be minus 36 or it will be minus 42. Now next it is, you can see only this negative sign in the second one it is written same, but now it is the table of 2. So it is 8, it is 10, it is 12, then minus 12, minus 15 and minus 18. Now this is question number 3. Write 4 rational numbers equivalent to. So there are 3 parts and that 3 parts you are required to do one by one. Now let's solve it. How we will do this? Now in question number 3 you are required to write 4 rational numbers, minus 2 upon 7. So 4 rational numbers are 2 upon 7 multiplied by 2. Then it is minus 4 and 14. Then minus 2 upon 7, then multiply by 3. Then it is minus 6 and 21. Then minus 2 upon 7 into 4. Then it is minus 8 and 28. And then you will multiply it by 5. Then it is minus 10 and 35. So here you are required to multiply it by 2, then by 3, then by 4, then by 5. Then this is second part, 5 upon minus 3, and third part 4 upon 9. Both of these questions you are required to do yourself as first part that I have done. This is question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Here are 4 parts and one by one we are required to mention or represent these rational numbers on the number line. Now let's solve it. Question number 4. Draw this, and on the number line you are required to show 3 upon 4. It is on the positive side. First of all, draw a line. In the middle you are required to write 0, and then here are 4 lines. So this 4 is showing the number of lines, that how many you are required to draw. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and the numerator you will write here, this is 3. Means according to denominator you are required to draw lines, and according to the numerator you are required to write here. Then the first one will be 3 upon 4. Then this one will be 3 upon 4. Now this is 5 upon minus 3, so we can write it minus 5 upon 3. And you are required to draw a line first. It is negative, so it will be on the left side of 0. So here you can see denominator is 3, so we will draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and on the last line we are required to write numerator minus 5. Then the first line will be of minus 5 upon 3. Now this is third part, it is again minus, so you are required to draw a line, put 0 in the middle, then draw 4 lines because denominator is 4, and on the last line you are required to write minus 7. Then the first one will be minus 7 upon 4. This is the equivalent equivalent rational number method. This is 7 upon 8. It is positive, so it will be drawn in the middle 0, then it will be drawn on the right side. Denominator is 8, so make 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then here you will write 7, then it will be 7 upon 8. So in this way you are required to do this. Now this is question number 5. Here P, Q, R, S, T, U, A, B are given on the number line such that TR is equal to RS equal SU and AP equal PQ equal QB. Now you are required to name the rational number represented by P, Q, R and S. Now let's solve it. Now this is question number 5. Draw a line. Here you are required to mention one by one. This is 0, this is 1, this is minus 1, this is 2. Between 2 and 3 there are many parts. This is 4, 1, 2. A, P, Q, B, and this is minus 2. Then T, R, S, U, minus 3, minus 4. So you are required to mention here P, Q, R, S. So here you can see this P will be written as 1 upon 3. This Q can be written as 2 upon 3. So P will be 2 whole 1 upon 3 and Q will be, this you are required to write 2 whole 1 upon 3. Q will be written as 2 whole 2 upon 3. And this S and R you can see this is also 1 upon 3 and this is also 2 upon 3. So PQR will be written as minus 1 whole 1 upon 3 and S will be written as minus 2 whole minus 1 whole, because it is after minus 1, so then it will be written as minus 1 whole 2 upon 3. So in this way you are required to mention these alphabets.